Oh, the school's really unique. We're a specialty school in Akron Public Schools, so students that come here have to meet a certain requirement in their mastery of the standards. I truly believe in experiences and problem-based inquiry learning as a foundation in education. Relationships are really big, so that relationship piece tied with the experience piece really help kids learn. Matt came to us as an extra science teacher one year. He and I sat and talked about creating this lab space.
I grew up in North Akron, was raised with some experiences in gardening and spent a lot of time outdoors, hiking and camping, and wanted to try to connect more of our students to nature and give them some opportunities that they don't always have. And so I was very fortunate to be encouraged by our principal. Dina Popa wanted me to transform the space. We started doing small-scale aquaponics in our older building. I thought that was a great way to teach water quality, nutrient cycling, and ecosystems being connected with fish and plants working in symbiosis.
Farm-raised salmon, it's probably grown with environmental, it's a lot like that.
Something that kids can think about and like, how could we maximize food production? How can we maximize growing fish and plants in this small space that could be extrapolated or scaled up to a really large level? I mean, how can we feed the world? And how can we maybe support local conservation? Any way that we can be more productive.
It's very hands-on. A lot of kids will come in and they will clip herbs and spices and things and take back home and cook for their families at night.
My favorite class would actually be this one because it's pretty engaging and I'm more of a hands-on learner. I feel like I learn better when I'm doing stuff with my hands instead of just looking at a boring slideshow like any other class.
Over here you can see like our bigger system. So with your help and with the donation from LYB, we were able to expand significantly and to add a really large grow bed and a 250-gallon tub of goldfish and koi over here, feeding all of these plants.
Through our Advancing Good program, we wanted to fund this because this is an investment in our workforce. We are interested in sustainability, and this whole lab is basically one big sustainability lab. It takes everything that we value as a company and it's packaged. It's pretty encompassing of what we look for as far as investing. We're investing in the community, we're investing in the schools, we're investing in STEM education. And we want to invest in our future workforce so that someday, they're going to be out there in the workforce and maybe they could come and work for LYB. It's very exciting to see that in a year's time, this lab has gone from an empty room to what you see now. And our investment in our partnership with the school has helped provide the equipment so that the students can learn how to grow.
So all of this you see, we've grown ourselves. So when we first came into this class, all of this was empty. We had to build these actual stands by ourselves.
I helped build 2 of these, and from that I learned how to make it by myself at home. It's same system as here, but it's just like on a smaller scale. So it's built on a wall. I have pumps taking the water up, it goes through, comes back down, and then just does it all over again.
After getting into the lab, me and my parents have gotten more into gardening, and my parents have never been more engaged with something. At home, we have a little system downstairs in our basement, so that just shows you how influential it can be. Even my parents, who had no idea about gardening before, they're getting into gardening and they really enjoy it. And I think it's cool because we get to harvest them and eat them afterwards. So it's good to taste something that you're growing.
I like growing these a lot. It's really fun, giving them to friends, seeing their reactions after they eat them.
One thing I would love to do with this program is to have a bigger impact in East Akron. There are not that many places to get food close by. There is definitely a growing interest in community gardens. I would love for our program to help support those by maybe starting seedlings early indoors in a controlled environment that we could give away or sell for a fundraiser. If we can bring more life into the school, then they'll have some of those experiences and maybe have the confidence to know that they can start a garden at home.
They have so much enthusiasm and energy, and they really appreciate the opportunity to be able to experience growing the plants.
I hope that they have the same care and the same thought process to make sure that they're leaving behind a world for their kids and the next generations that we're trying to do for them.
I'd like them to be lifelong learners. I'd like them to be critical thinkers and inquisitive and have a love of science.